anyway, final retake. So I'm on the 42 Swanage on a very windy Thursday afternoon. Acre lane top.
Getting ready?
Yep. Yep.
Not going just yet, but
yeah.
Just getting back, my bag on my back, ready.
Yep. Next stop, Holmes Road. Next stop, Holmes Road. To High Street. Oh, the sun's out.
It looks like the wind's dying down.
Are you sure about that? Because
it's just what I can see. It doesn't look like it's actually that active anymore.
I know. Oof. Whoa. Just missed it. Whoa. Yep, just one more stop for you, Luke. The Swanage School, then Hurston Cross.
Yeah.
Swanage School. Hurston Cross. All right then, I'll see you tonight at 7, all right?
Yeah, tonight at 7. Go home safe, all right?
Yep, thanks.
Right then. Oh, hello.
What?
Doing some work on the church.
Yeah.